Hey guys, do you like cars? I love cars, and these days there's so many different types of cars. You got hybrid cars, you got plug-in electrics, and now hydrogen-powered cars. Yes, hydrogen. Some people might say that cars are bad because of all the CO2 emissions they produce, but today in this video I'll talk about a promising new technology that has a solution to that problem. So, how did I find my article? Well, first I went onto the John Oliver website and under library I found one of these databases, Academic Search Premier, and then I searched for hydrogen fuel cells, and there was my article, Exploring Hydrogen Fuel Cell Technology. What is a hydrogen fuel cell, you might ask? Well, it is a fuel cell that converts chemical energy into electrical energy, in this case converting hydrogen into electricity and giving off only H2O, which is water, as its byproduct. The type of fuel cell used in cars is called the polymer exchange membrane or PEM fuel cell. PEM fuel cells have the advantage of being light and small. They consist of two electrodes, a negatively charged anode and a positive cathode, a catalyst, and a membrane. How they work is the PEM fuel cells run on hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen is important because it provides the oxidant required to complete the redox reaction that takes place in the fuel cell. Without oxygen, the PEM cell would not function. In this type of reaction, what actually happens are two half reactions simultaneously, in which hydrogen is being oxidized and oxygen is being reduced. The end result is an efficient conversion of hydrogen into usable electricity for the car. A lot of people say that hydrogen power is the most important alternative fuel technology currently under development. It does, however, have its own problems, and it may be decades before fuel cell technology is in wide use. What I learned from this article was making hydrogen available to consumers involved a variety of obstacles that include the production, distribution, storage, and handling. Hydrogen is not an energy source, and it is not a fuel that is naturally available in usable quantities. The hydrogen fuel supply must be manufactured. The cost of developing hydrogens are high. Not only do we have to design and develop the fuel cells in the cars, but we have to develop an infrastructure to support these fuel-efficient vehicles. Imagine if you owned a hydrogen car, where would you go to fill it up? The cost of producing the cars is high too, with platinum right now being the most widely used catalyst in fuel cells. The price of a single fuel cell car can reach upwards of $100,000 and maybe even more. But new technologies are being developed which will probably be less expensive than platinum, but nobody knows how soon they'll be available for large-scale use. Many people think that we'll overcome these obstacles eventually, but until then, for you greenies, the only green car left to drive is going to be the Toyota Prius. Thanks.